Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Victory Hardball that I want to show you. It's a pretty sweet bike. It's got a black denim, flat black type paint on it, trimmed in red. Black powder coated rims with a red trim stripe, inverted forks, dual front disc brakes. Got you a new tire on the front. Got a little bit of scraping action right in here. No, doesn't look all bent up. There might be just a little bent spot right there. Paint has been chipped right there on the front of it. Looks like about a maybe 14-inch ape hanger on it. Engine guard up front. Large rider floorboards. Kind of dusty out here. It's hard to see everything. Top of this bag's got a couple little scrapes on it. Looks like somebody's shoe may have touched the top of the bag there. Notice back here on the very back of the rear fender, got a couple little scrapes and chips there. Pretty decent rear tire. A little spot here on the corner. A couple little scrapes there on the muffler. Notice here on this bag, on the bag lid, got a chip here, one here. And up here on the tank, I saw a couple of dents right in here. I don't know how well you can see it out here, but it's just a slight little dent. It didn't break the paint. A little rub right there. Just got a few little signs on it. Not too bad though. Doesn't look like it's ever been down. Just ridden. Got pretty good miles on it. 2013 with the, let's see, make sure the neutral here. There we go. 8,053 miles. Just pops right off. No issues with that. Got electronic cruise control. Motor sounds good. We ran this bike through the shop, checked it out for you, so she is ready to ride. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. See our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.